Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of English with Adam. I am your host, Adam. I am very happy you are here with us today. In this episode, we will speak slowly and clearly so that our listeners can understand us.
Hello, Adam. Hello, listeners. I am Sarah. I am excited for today's topic.
Me too, Sarah. Today, we look back in time. We are traveling to the past.
Ooh, time travel? That sounds exciting. Where are we going?
We are going to our first jobs. Do you remember your first job?
Oh, wow. Yes, I remember it very well. It was a long time ago.
Not so long ago, Sarah. You are still young.
Thank you, Adam, but my first job feels like history.
Today, we will use the past simple tense. We will talk about what happened.
Yes, worked, played, earned. We add ed to the verb.
Exactly. But some verbs are irregular. They change completely. But let's start the story.
Okay. Adam, what was your very first job?
Let me think. My first job was at a cinema.
A cinema. That sounds like a fun job.
It was okay. I sold popcorn and soda. I was 16 years old.
Did you watch movies for free?
Yes, that was the best part. I watched movies every weekend.
Lucky you. Did you like the job?
I liked the movies, but I did not like the cleaning.
Oh, cleaning the cinema. That sounds dirty.
It was terrible. People threw popcorn everywhere. The floor was sticky.
Yuck. Sticky floors are the worst.
I swept the floor every night. Note the verb swept, not sweeped.
Ah, irregular verb. Sweep becomes swept.
Correct. I swept popcorn for hours. My arms were tired.
Poor Adam. But you earned money, right?
Yes, I earned money. I bought my first guitar.
But that is the past of buy.
You are good at grammar today. Yes, I bought a red guitar.
That is cool. So the job was useful.
It was useful. What about you, Sarah? What did you do?
My first job was different. I worked in a small cafe.
A cafe? Were you a waitress?
Yes, I was a waitress. I carried coffee and cake.
Was it difficult? Waitresses worked very hard.
It was very hard. I stood on my feet all day.
Stood, past of stand.
Yes, my legs hurt a lot, and the customers were loud.
Did you drop anything? Be honest, Sarah.
Oh dear, yes. I dropped a full tray once.
Oh no, a full tray? What happened?
It was a disaster. I spilled coffee on a man's shirt.
Ouch! Hot coffee? Was he angry?
He was very angry. His face turned red. I was so scared.
What did your boss do? Did he fire you?
No, my boss was nice. He apologized to the man.
That is lucky. A good boss is important.
Yes, he gave the man a free meal. Gave is past of give.
Right. So you learned a lesson, right?
Yes, I learned to walk slowly.
Slow and steady wins the race.
But I liked the tips. People left coins on the table.
Left, past of leave. Tips are great.
I saved my money. I wanted to travel.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach with my friends. We had a great summer.
That sounds wonderful. Work hard, play hard.
Exactly. Adam, did you wear a uniform at the cinema?
Yes, I wore a red vest. Wore is past of wear.
Did you look handsome?
No, I looked silly. The vest was too big.
I can imagine. I wore a black apron.
Aprons are okay. They keep your clothes clean.
True, but it smelled like coffee. Everything smelled like coffee.
I smelled like popcorn. Even my hair smelled like popcorn.
That is funny. We were smelly teenagers.
Yes, but we were responsible. We had jobs.
Having a job changes you. You feel like an adult.
I agree. You learn about time. You must be on time.
Yes, I was never late. I was afraid of being late.
Me too. I woke up early every Saturday.
Woke. Past of wake.
What did you do with your first paycheck?
My first paycheck, I think I bought clothes.
Clothes are important.
I bought a nice jacket. I felt very proud.
It is a special feeling, your own money.
Yes, my parents did not give it to me. I earned it.
Earned. That is a regular verb. Earned.
ED verbs are easy. I like them.
Worked, started, finished. All easy.
Cooked, cleaned, washed.
But English is tricky. We have many irregulars.
Like go and went, see and saw.
Eat and ate. I ate too much popcorn.
Adam, stop eating the profits.
I couldn't help it. It was delicious.
Okay, we have told our stories.
Yes, but now we need to learn some professional words.
Oh, yes, work words. These are useful for your CV.
Listen closely, friends. We have 3 key words. The first word is part-time. 2 words. P-A-R-T-T-I-M-E.
I know this. My cafe job was part-time.
Yes, part-time means you do not work all day.
Usually less than 30 hours a week.
Correct. Students usually work part-time. They study and work.
And the opposite is full-time.
Yes, full-time is 40 hours a week, like a regular job.
So, definition, working only part of the day or week.
Perfect. I worked part-time at the cinema.
Okay, what is the second word, Adam?
The second word is colleague. C-O-L-L-E-A-G-U-E.
This is a fancy word. It sounds professional.
It is. A colleague is a person you work with.
Can I say coworker?
Yes, coworker is the same, but colleague is more formal.
Okay, the other waitress was my colleague.
Yes, you work together. You are on the same team.
Definition, someone you work with at your job.
Excellent. It is a good word to know. And the third word is salary. S-A-L-A-R-Y.
Money. I like this word.
Everyone likes salary. It is the money you receive.
Is it the same as wage?
Similar. Wage is usually per hour. Salary is usually per year or month.
Ah, so at the cafe, I got a wage.
Yes, but now, as a podcaster, you get a salary.
I feel rich now.
Definition: a fixed amount of money paid for work.
Got it. Part-time, colleague, salary.
You are a quick learner, Sarah.
Thank you. I try my best.
Now, let's talk about the interview. Did you have an interview?
Yes, it was short, but I was nervous.
What did the boss ask you?
He asked, "Can you carry heavy plates?"
And you said yes?
I said, "Yes, I am strong."
You lied a little bit.
Maybe a little, but I became strong later.
Became, past of become. Good verb.
Interviews are scary. You must smile. You must be polite.
I remember my interview. I shook the manager's hand.
Shook, past of shake. Did you have sweaty hands?
Yes, my hands were wet. It was embarrassing.
Oh no, a wet handshake? That is awful.
But he hired me anyway. He needed help.
Hired. That means he gave you the job.
Yes, to hire someone. It is a regular verb, hired.
Adam, do you miss your first job?
I miss the free movies, but I do not miss the popcorn floor.
I do not miss the angry customers, but I miss my colleagues.
Were they your friends?
Yes, we were young. We laughed a lot.
Were, past of are. Friends make work better.
Definitely. If you have good colleagues, work is fun.
That is true. Even a hard job can be fun with friends.
Listeners, do you have a job now?
Or are you a student? Maybe you will work soon.
Don't be scared. Your first job is an adventure.
You will make mistakes, like Sarah spilling coffee.
Hey, don't remind them.
It's okay. Mistakes help us learn.
You will learn about money, you will learn about people.
And you will have funny stories for later.
Just like us, talking about it years later.
Imagine you go back in time. What do you say to young Sarah?
I would say, relax, be careful with the tray, and smile.
That is good advice. I would say, buy comfortable shoes.
Yes, standing all day is hard on feet.
Very hard. My feet ached every night.
Ached, that means they hurt.
Yes, a dull pain, a headache in my feet.
A foot ache.
Okay, we are near the end. Let's recap the grammar.
We focused on past simple.
For regular verbs, add ed, worked, walked, played.
For irregular verbs, memorize them. Go, went. Buy, bought.
Take, took. Make, made.
There are many lists online. Study the lists.
Yes, pick 5 verbs a day. Learn them.
Make sentences about your yesterday.
Yesterday, I went to the park.
Yesterday, I ate pizza.
Simple sentences. Great practice.
Adam, I am hungry now. You said pizza.
Me too. Let's go get lunch.
But first, the question for the listeners.
Oh, right, the big question.
Tell us about your first job or your dream job.
The question is, what was your first job, and did you like it?
Write it in the comments. Use past simple verbs.
I was a teacher. I liked it.
I worked in a shop. I hated it.
We want to know the truth.
Be honest. We won't tell your boss.
No secrets here.
Please like the video if you enjoyed our stories.
And subscribe to the channel. Help us grow.
Click the bell. Ding ding.
Thank you for listening. You are excellent students.
Thank you, Adam. This was fun.
It was very fun. See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.